Hello everyone. In this video we learn some tips or the important idea about solving some trigonometric formula, and I will show you how to find base, perpendicular or hypotenuse in such case where two angles are given in a triangle. Now let's understand the techniques through this question. See the question carefully. Find the value of tan alpha and tan theta from the figure below in terms of sine and cos. Also base, perpendicular and hypotenuse. Let's find out which side is P, which side is B and which side is H for this triangle and relative to angle. So hypotenuse is same, but B and P, these two changes according to angle. So let's calculate which is H, which is P and which is B. For this one, let's move the triangle little bit lower. Okay, now it will be clear to see. Let's start for angle alpha. This is right angle, so opposite of it is always hypotenuse. Let's change the color. Yes. Now for alpha you need to see this is A and this is B. Here is right angle and this is the angle. When there is a side in which perpendicular and the angle is made, then it is called base. Let's remove all these. I will write in red, that means for alpha. When I write in blue, that means it is for theta. Okay, this is B for alpha, and the opposite of the angle is always perpendicular. So for alpha, B is A B, P is B C and H is AC. Let's see again for theta. Okay, let's move triangle little below. Now for angle theta, now see this is theta and this is right angle. So when there is right angle and angle is made, then that side is always base. Opposite to the right angle is always hypotenuse. So the side opposite to the angle or the theta in here is always perpendicular. Now what changed? B is equal to, for theta, okay, B is this one, right? So BC, P is AB, H is AC. Now what we need to know is BC, which is base in here, and AB perpendicular, but here is different. So according to the angle in a triangle, perpendicular and base changes, but sometimes the hypotenuse remains same. Now with this interpretation, let's solve the question given above. We need to find first tan alpha and then tan theta. Okay, let's go here. Let's move the figure down again. Okay, now tan alpha is equal to, I taught you before the formula of tan alpha or tan angle, which you can see in the previous video. Okay, it's always sine alpha by cos alpha, which means P by B. In this case, in case of alpha, so let's see red, B, which is P by B, right? So let's write red. Red means here P, here is B. P is BC upon AB. Similarly, let's do with the blue color. Tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta. The only changing is angle, but when you change the angle, sometimes it changes drastically, like P by B is equal to, in case of blue, this is B and this is P, so AB by BC. This is answer. So when you see two different angle in a triangle in this way, what you need to remember, according to angle, the base and perpendicular changes. So we need to change, we need to think it accordingly. Thank you everyone. We'll talk about the new thing and about other examples in next video. If you have any questions, you can comment. See you again in next video.